Is a west-facing home right for you? Watch before you buy. Dear friend, is a west-facing home a smart choice, or could it become a heat trap? Before you buy, there are a few important things you should know. A west-facing home receives direct sunlight mainly during the afternoon and evening. This can create beautiful natural light and warm, inviting spaces, especially around sunset. But there is a downside. Afternoon sunlight can be intense, and in warm climates, it may increase indoor temperatures and cooling costs. Large west-facing windows can make this effect even stronger. However, a west-facing home is not automatically a bad choice. The actual impact depends on your climate, latitude, season, window size, insulation, shading, and overall house design. There is also an important difference between the Northern and Southern Hemispheres. The sun's seasonal path changes between the two hemispheres, so the angle and intensity of sunlight can vary depending on your location. But in both hemispheres, the west side generally receives stronger late-day sunlight. Smart design can make a big difference. Exterior shades, overhangs, blinds, trees, reflective glass, and well-insulated walls can reduce unwanted heat while still allowing natural light into your home. So, should you buy a west-facing home? Don't decide based on direction alone. Consider your local climate, the position of windows, surrounding buildings, shading, and how the rooms are planned. A west-facing home can be an excellent choice if it is designed for your location and lifestyle. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.